In 2013, Monaco issued a coin dedicated to the 20th anniversary of Monaco's accession to the United Nations. It is the only truly high-volume Monaco coin and is the cheapest of all Monaco commemorative coins, so anyone can afford to add it to their collection. The coin depicts a dove of peace with an olive branch in its beak. A dove flies over the image of the continents from the UN logo. Monaco inscription on top. In the semicircle are the years 1993 to 2013. And the inscription, Acceptance at the UN. Paris Mint Mark and Engraver's Mark. Circulation of 1,200,000 coins. On eBay, such coins were recently sold for prices ranging from $4.60 to $10. Currently, the cheapest coin costs $4.50.